With frequency trees, the branches that come off must add up to where they come from. So these two circles here must then add up to 240, and that continues your way through for all of the branches. We're told in this question that 240 people work in a factory, and they're given here, and that's already filled in the diagram. Of these people, 150 people have a car. And the people that have a car on the diagram are going to be this section here. We know that these two branches, so that one and that one, must add up to 240. Therefore, we can find this value just here by doing the 240 minus the 150 people that have a car, which then tells us that we would have 90 people that don't have a car. We can now continue working through. So 110 people have a bicycle, and we just need to be slightly careful with these because these people here have a bicycle and these people here also have a bicycle. For that top one here, these are people that have a car and also a bicycle. With this one here, these are people that don't have a car and don't have a bicycle. So we know from this that both of those values there are going to add up to 110, but we can't say what's going to be in which yet. The bottom line says 65 people who have a bicycle do not have a car. So not having a car is going to be these 90 people, and then they have a bicycle, which that then tells us that this value just here is going to be 65, and I'm going to put that in there. We can now use the 110 information because we know that these two circles are going to add up to 110. So in order to find that top bit, we can do 110 minus 65, which then gives you 45. So I'm just going to put 45 in there. Now we can find the rest of the values. So we can find this value because we know that the 150 must be 45 plus something. So in order to find that one there, we just do 150 minus 45, which then gives you 105. And then for that last one, 65 plus something is going to give you 90. So 90 minus 65, so that would be 25 there. Part B then says, what percentage of the 150 people who have a car also have a bicycle? So we're just looking at the number that have a car, which is these 150, and then we're looking at this part of our diagram. We want to know how many of those 150 people also have a bicycle. And of those 150 people, the ones that have a bicycle are those 45 there. So it's going to be 45 over the total number of people, which is 150 people for those who have a car. Then in order to convert that fraction to a percentage, we're then going to just times by 100, and the calculator is going to do all the hard work for us. 45 divided by 150 multiplied by 100 then gives us 30%. So the answer is 30%.